guys, so on today's video I'm doing a car tour, and y'all are gonna freak out. I don't think y'all are gonna even believe this, so let me go ahead and show y'all and y'all are gonna flip. Hold on. Check out the new wheels, guys. Isn't this crazy? So this is the Mclaren. Like, how freaking awesome is that? But look at that, guys. Isn't it beautiful? So it's all suede leather interior. Oh my god, there's a bee! There's a bee! Ah! Oh my god. I don't know where it went, but it's all suede interior. The seats are... Oh my god, there's a bee! Shit. Ah! Oh my god, there's a bee. There's a bee in there. This is the front of it. And then we have the trunk, which the trunk is really little, guys. So this is a little... the guy's talking about that they're talking about the car. Anyways, so this is the trunk. I have my little bit of groceries and stuff in there. Gotta close that. And then, yeah, that's it. So that's it, guys. That's the car. So we'll go ahead and do a little bit of driving around. We'll do a little video. And I don't pray for me because I don't know if that bee is still stuck in the car, but we'll see. The muffler actually throws flames when it reaches a certain speed. And so this is like a carbon fiber, but it's protected so that when the flames shoot out, it doesn't melt the spoiler. I like it. Do y'all like it? What do y'all think? Okay, guys, so we're driving around now. We got out of there because it was so funny. I don't know if y'all heard, there was a gentleman who was talking and asking questions and saying, oh, there's a rumor, because, okay, so we live in a really small, like, town, basically, and so they were saying, oh, there was a rumor going around that people were out here driving some sort of a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. So I thought that was funny. And then you've got, I already showed y'all the inside. So the doors are really cool. Let me just get in. So this is the driver's side. The steering wheel is also suede leather. The doors come down and it has a really cool sound system. This is the panel, like where you have your radio and stuff. I don't know what I did with the key. I think it's in my purse. But and it has like the GPS system. It's dusty. Whoops, I just smeared it. Dang it. But this is the GPS system and stuff like that. Then you got the AC panels here that cool. They look cool. Duh. That move around. To me, they look like little googly eyes. So I like to mess with them to make them look like kind of dumb. And then you have, this is a little speaker, which is so cool because it's compact, but it's a little stereo speaker. And then you also have another one right there. So they're really tiny, but like you have these big ones on each side of the door. And so it's a really cool sound system. There's another little tiny stereo speaker right there. So, and then you can also drive it automatic, or you can use the pedal shifters. So that's right here. And yeah, this is the inside. So you get to see that. You can also like just press like drive, neutral, reverse. Then if you're in danger, if you're in some type of danger, your hazard lights are right there. Now, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to look and see in the manual, but it was on here, H, S, and then there's N and T, and then there's manual. So I don't know what that is, but we're gonna figure it out. But yeah, and so behind me, I'll show y'all right now. Behind me, there's just a little, it looks kind of like a little shelf or something. And I guess it's like where you could put your purse, or you could put like stuff, I guess, if you want, or like a hat or something, or maybe with this day and age with everything that's going on, maybe it could be your mask or something. But yeah, so that's the whole car tour. Now I'm just gonna do some slow video for y'all, so let me go ahead and do that and then we'll be back. But yeah, so this is the girl. She a beauty. So let me know what you think. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I think she's schmicksy. I don't know what else to do for a car tour video, so I guess we're just gonna go ahead and end it here. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. I really like it. It's amazing. Such a great blessing. And I just feel so blessed and so grateful. And life just continues to surprise and amaze me every chance it gets. And I just don't know what... It's so crazy because it's like... I don't know. I can't even put into words what I feel. Just grateful. That's the only thing that I can think of. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, because it helps the channel. Even if you dislike it, it still helps it too. So if you want to dislike the video, go ahead and dislike it too. But thank you again for being here, and I hope that you liked the car tour video, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Bye.